Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And welcome to Auto Vibe channel, where we bring you the latest and most reliable reviews of vehicles designed for real-world American needs. Today we are taking a close look at the Nissan NV Cargo Van 2026, a vehicle built to handle tough jobs, long hours and demanding business use across the United States. The 2026 Nissan NV Cargo Van continues its reputation as a durable and practical full-size work van, offering a body-on-frame design that delivers strength and confidence for commercial drivers. Under the hood, Nissan offers a powerful V8 engine option paired with a smooth automatic transmission, providing strong towing capability and reliable performance. Whether you are hauling tools, equipment, or heavy cargo on highways or city streets, the van is engineered to deliver consistent power with a focus on long-term durability, making it a trusted option for fleet owners and independent contractors alike. In terms of payload and cargo space, the Nissan NV Cargo Van 2026 stands out with a wide and tall cargo area that allows easy loading and unloading of large items. The flat load floor and squared-off interior design help maximize usable space, making it ideal for construction, plumbing, delivery services, and mobile workshops. Multiple cargo lengths and roof configurations give buyers flexibility to choose a setup that fits their business needs. Rear doors open wide for forklift access, while available sliding side doors improve convenience in tight urban areas. Inside the cabin, Nissan focuses on comfort and functionality. The driver-oriented cockpit features supportive seating, clear gauges, and intuitive controls designed to reduce fatigue during long workdays. Storage compartments are strategically placed to hold documents, tools, and personal items, while durable interior materials are built to withstand daily wear and tear. Technology features in the 2026 model include a modern infotainment system with a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and smartphone integration to keep drivers connected on the road. Safety remains a key priority, with standard and available features such as stability control, traction control, anti-lock brakes, rear-view camera, and available blind spot monitoring. These systems are designed to enhance confidence and control, especially when driving with a full load or navigating busy job sites. The strong steel frame and reinforced body structure further contribute to occupant protection and vehicle longevity. One of the biggest advantages of the Nissan NV Cargo Van 2026 is its reliability and ease of maintenance. Nissan has built this van with proven components and straightforward engineering, helping reduce downtime and maintenance costs over the life of the vehicle. This makes it an attractive option for businesses that depend on their vehicles every single day. Fuel efficiency is balanced with power, ensuring reasonable operating costs for a full-size cargo van while still delivering the performance needed for demanding tasks. Overall, the Nissan NV Cargo Van 2026 is a solid, dependable, and hard-working solution for American businesses looking for strength, space, and reliability in one package. It may not chase flashy trends, but it focuses on what truly matters: durability, usability, and long-term value. If you are searching for a cargo van that can support your business growth and handle tough jobs year after year, the Nissan NV Cargo Van 2026 deserves serious consideration. Another important aspect of the 2026 Nissan NV Cargo Van is its customization potential. Upfit-friendly design allows businesses to install shelving, ladder racks, partitions, refrigeration units, or electrical systems without complicated modifications. This makes it easier to transform the van into a specialized work vehicle suited for trades, logistics, or service operations. The exterior styling remains clean and professional, projecting a strong brand image when wrapped with company graphics. The ride quality is stable and confident thanks to a well-tuned suspension that balances comfort with load handling, giving drivers better control during long shifts. It supports business branding, visibility, and customer trust on roads nationwide. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Vibe channel, like the video, and stay tuned for more trusted vehicle reviews.